Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work on this 12 by 24 inch canvas, and I will do 3 maybe jiggle pours, straight pours, and tilt it around, and I will work just with primary colors and black and my pearl white mixture. So I will just remove this canvas first to bring my cups there. Just want to see if I'm in frame. I am. So I will start with some yellow on the bottom. It kind of looks that there is a lot of static here. Okay, and some magenta. I'm just layering this a little bit careful for the bottom because I don't want a big blob of one color on at the end, because this will came out last. What goes first in the cup comes out last. And some blue. And because of those 3 primary colors, I don't expect to get some mud. Okay, and now some pearl white for some maybe nice effect, some cloudy, or I don't know, I just want to see. Okay, and now I will just keep on going. I will not fill my cups totally full because they are 10-ounce cup and I don't need 30-ounce paint for this size canvas, but I will go for quite some time. I think have to go buy some cups. I'm out of cups. Okay, and I will just drizzle a little bit of black in here, just to maybe get some darker shades of those colors. Just don't want black to touch my yellow. I hope that it doesn't. Okay, pearl white again. have to remove those cups, otherwise I can have to see if this, okay, and I will pour a little bit of black here when I will start with the first one. Not a lot, just okay. I like that. I will just thin down my black a little bit and pour it around. For the flow extender, I have enough paint, but I want to have place to tilt and keep the patterns that I like, so that's why I will add a little of this flow extender around. Like it. Like. Where were those? Okay, torch. I think that I will do another one and I will add thicker layers of paint because I think that I would like that too. Have another just have to check. Okie doke. So let me take you down for a close. This is the orientation that I like. So let me show you the details. They are beautiful. And I like those lines here. I think that they add a little something. You see what I'm talking about. I think that at the bottom things get a little muddy. That's why maybe I want to have a little thicker layers of paints next time, because the pearl white did create some, you see, nice effects. I think that I like this one the most. That one. And this one is not bad either. This one is probably my less favorite, but at the end I like the result. I like those lines here, I really do. I think that they add a little something to this painting. I like those bright ones. So, and you can even have it that way, I don't know. I prefer vertical ones, so I'm happy. And you see that you don't need a lot of colors to create something beautiful. Stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up. I love it. I love how the colors create some nice shades of purple and orange, and I love this part, and I like those lines here. I like this kind of pour, I have to say, and I will do some more of those, maybe with thicker layers of paint, because I think that I would love to have a little more of the solid color on some places. I really like this bottom one, top one. I don't know, I like this orientation the most, and it is kind of dark, it's snowing outside, and if I turn my lights on you will see just a lot of the glare. It's hard to show, but I'm pretty sure that you see the beauty. Okay, this will be it for today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!